Welcome to Chapter 10, Small Business Promotion, Capturing the Eyes of Your Market. So here we go with the last of the 4 P's, promotion. First, you want to describe your marketing funnel. Promotion is the last, but it's very, very, very interesting and one of the most deep of the 4 P's. The marketing funnel relates promotional impressions to firm sales. The value of promotion is directly tied to the sales it produces. The customer development process funnels expand on the classic marketing funnel. Segment and further define your target audience. You have to aim for a narrow segment or portion of your market. Develop a profile of the needs of your target market and match your product or service and promotion to your target market's needs. You have to recognize the different approaches and methods you can use to craft your promotional method. Your goal is to craft one message for each target market segment. The message should build on the value proposition, and messages can utilize emotion and reason that fits your customer. Building your firm's identity and brand should be thought through. The identity and brand is carried through to the visible elements of the organization. Recognize the different approaches and methods you can use to convey your promotional method. The 3 major types of promotional activity are advertising, public relations, and press relations. There are free and paid versions of almost every type of promotional technique. Pick the technique that best sends your message to the intended market segment. While measuring the impact of promotional efforts is easier for internet-based efforts, it's a good thing for all types of efforts. It should be your goal to make as much use of free approaches and free ink as possible to save your startup cash. Publicity will depend on the newsworthiness and innovativeness of your ideas. Mastering the press relief, press kit, and media content strategy plan are key skills for the promotion-focused entrepreneur. Apply the key skills involved in personal selling, especially closing the sale. Recognize the importance of personal selling. Key processes of personal selling include prospect and evaluate, prepare, present, and close. The art of closing the sale includes restate the need, when would you want it, get feedback, forewarn customers about buyer's remorse, practice, if your buyer gets cold feet, unfurl more benefits, weigh the angles before you start, don't outbid yourself when bidding on a project, counter with care, follow up the sale. Recognize the major approaches to customer retention. Handling complaints impersonally but empathetically is a particular challenge in small businesses. The goal in resolving all complaints is to keep good customers satisfied with your firm. Post-sale success depends on customer relationship management, CRM. It's driven by keeping and analyzing data on existing and prospective customers. Market expansion, market penetration, product expansion, and diversification are strategies for market growth. Utilizing techniques to keep customers engaged and loyal and grow additional sales to them is key to a firm's success. Identify sales forecasting methods. If your product or service is a component of another product or tied directly to another product or service, your estimated sales can be calculated as a portion of this known number. Most products and services will require softer estimates, such as traffic counts or questionable results. Getting a hit rate based on some real-world experience will be crucial to making good sales forecasts. And this sales forecast is critical to and must be checked against your capacity and cost of sales.